Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're doing very well today. Today we're going to be unboxing the December budget box for Plouise, and I'm really excited to show you what's inside. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll be honest, I've got mixed thoughts about the whole process of this month's box, but I will talk about that later in the video. This is what the box looks like, and oh my days, the creativity behind this, I'm obsessed. So it's basically themed as a pizza box, which I love. So it says hot contents, you have a piece of my heart, Plouise, it was love at first bite. I love the whole theme behind this. It's got so much detail going on the outside as well. And when we open it up, we have so much inside this month's box. So I'm going to show you things one at a time. I think I'm going to leave the best to last. Firstly, I'll show you the lashes first. So these are gorgeous. So I've got two pairs of Plouise lashes. I don't think I've actually got any of these. We might have had a pair in the advent calendar, but otherwise I don't have any Plouise lashes. So you've got top it off and add some spice. So it says the perfect duo for those babes who want the best of both worlds. I do think that the contents of the Plouise budget boxes have improved. So now you are getting a lot more new items, whereas before you'd probably get like one new item, but the rest of it were things that they'd already released, which is great for new customers. But for people like me, I bought so many different Plouise products that you end up then getting duplicates, which I don't mind at all because I go through them so much. But I love to try new things. That's one of the points of me creating my channel, is trying new products, things like that. So we'd get a lot of these Cheek of It blushes, a lot of the Bad Bee lip duos, things like that. So it's good now that she's really started improving the boxes in the case of she's brought so many new things to them. So that is our first one, which is the half lashes. I love that, the half and half lashes. So it says one to cool it down and one to turn up the heat. Your hot contents are waiting. Are you ready to eat? Love that. Again, it's still got the pizza kind of theme on there. Love it. Then we've also got something that I've been saying I wanted for Plouise to bring out for so long. A moisturizer. So I've got a few of her skin bits. I've got one of her exfoliators, I've got like a serum, I've got a few different things, like I've got a cleanser from her, but I've always wanted a Plouise moisturizer. I haven't tried this yet, but this says sauce on the side moisturizer, again linking back into that pizza theme. I'll be honest, a pizza theme does seem a little bit random, but I'm so here for it, so let's give it a go. Come on. That's the best part about trying a new product, is trying to get it to come out. Okay, we're getting somewhere now, getting somewhere. It took a long time to come out. Okay, let's try it on my hand. Ooh, that feels very hydrating. I feel like you've got like two different ways to go with the moisturizer. You've either got the really thick, nourishing side, or you've got the really hydrating side. I do love both for different reasons, but this one, I feel is very, you can see it on my hand there, that is so hydrating. Okay, I like that. It does have a fragrance, but it's very, very subtle. It's kind of a bit of a fruity fragrance. Maybe like pomegranate or something like that. It's nice, is that? It's nice. Like I said, it's a very, very hydrating one. It sinks really nicely into the skin. Okay, love that. Next, we've got a brush set. I absolutely love the packaging for this. I think it is so clever. So we've got the cut, carve and create. This is what it looks like. Looking at it now, it kind of looks a bit like with the pizza cutters, but I didn't actually see it the first time I looked at this. So this is the Plouise Baby You're a Cut Above the Rest. The thing I love about this is it's a magnetic, like it just comes off like that magnetically, but it is quite a nice strong magnet, so I love that. I just think it's just a packaging for me. Her packaging is just above and beyond. Then you've got three brushes, which are great for creating a cut crease. Admittedly, I must have so many cut crease brushes now, but I feel like I can never have enough. Like, you always need to clean your brushes, and you always need like a spare brush for your cleaning. So you've got three different ones here. This first one here is an angled one. Then we've got a rather large one, which is just a flat one. And then we've got a smaller one. So these are the ones that I would normally reach for doing my cut crease. This one is probably going to be perfect for me. I also would love to try this one for more detailed ones. I've never tried an angled one for doing a cut crease before, but I think it's great to have and to give it a go. But yeah, absolutely love the packaging behind that. So what I was meaning earlier on, but I've got mixed opinions about this month's box. I personally love the surprise of the budget box. So you have no idea what's going to come in it. You wait every month, it arrives at your door, and you know, you're surprised by what's inside, you've no idea what's going to come. However, they always do like teasers online, which, you know, you're going to get these things, she wants to create more sales, things like that. But before, they did say that the teasers and things like that would always come after the box is sold out, which that's fair enough, you know, people can't then buy it once the teasers have come out. However, I think it'd be but I do think it'd be so much better if they do teasers and reveals of the box after it's been released and like after people have got theirs, because like these things you can't really avoid on social media. I end up seeing them all over my Instagram, my TikTok, things like that, which I find really frustrating because I like to have it as a surprise. Also, the budget boxes have been limited for a long time. It took me a while to get onto the list to be able to get a budget box, and she only does so many a month to the people that are on the list. Obviously, it's not like a PR list or anything like that, like you've got to pay for it. I pay £30 every month for mine. But the thing that I'm finding frustrating, which this may just be me, is that with this budget box, she's actually sold it to people separately as well. So people can just look at it being like, oh, I like that one, and buy it. That's one of the reasons I joined budget box, was because I love the products being released. It was such a great value compared to the actual retail price of the products. But you couldn't buy it separately. You had to buy it in the budget box, so I had to sign up for like monthly budget boxes, which now people have been able to buy them separately. It puts me off a little bit because it's a little bit frustrating, because it was supposed to be like an exclusive to the budget box kind of people. I understand why she's done it, but I do think it's frustrating for people that do pay monthly or that do buy the budget box, that then it's now available to other people as well. Not to go on a rant, because I absolutely love Plouise. The quality, the packaging, the formulas, every single thing that she puts into the products is beautiful. But I wouldn't be being myself if I'm not being completely honest, which you all know I'll be completely honest about products on here. I found the very same thing with the advent calendar quite frustrating. So after she, you know, put all these feelers out for the advent calendar out there, she then said all of the products in the advent calendar are going to be exclusive to the advent calendar. You won't be able to buy them, they won't be sold again, things like that, which I thought, oh cool, you know, these are exclusive products, you know, it's a lot of money. £210, I believe. I think it was 211 for the shipping included. So it's a lot of money. And now they're now saying, oh, we might sell them separately. If you guys really want them, we'll sell the products separately, which is great for if you run out of products and you want another one. But I think for the people that bought it under those circumstances of you'll never be able to buy these products again, it's then a little bit unfair on those people. Like I said, I absolutely love Plouise, but I'm going to be completely honest on my thoughts and opinions on these. But she has said that this year she's going to make it more about the consumer. She's going to really put more work into the brand and things like that. So I feel like everybody's always got room for improvement. She's an incredible person. She's done an incredible thing. However, you know, that's just my thoughts and opinions. Let's move on to the last thing from the box. This I am obsessed with. Like I said, I wasn't happy seeing spoilers, but when I saw the spoiler of this, I was like, I need my box right now. So this is what the last item looks like. This is an eyeshadow palette. You all know how much I love when Paige includes an eyeshadow palette in her budget box. So this is what it looks like, and it says, babe, you're a slice of perfection. And it looks like a slice of pizza. I'm so here for this. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It's a very yellow toned palette. We've got a full-size mirror in there, and it says, hey there hottie. And then when we look inside, this is what it looks like. So all of these are eyeshadows, and this one at the bottom here is a highlight, and I love that. So let's give them a swatch, because I haven't swatched any of these yet. I love a gold eyeshadow. That felt so creamy. Oh wow, that is gorgeous. Let's swatch another one because it's so pretty. I'm going to swatch this one called Love Triangle, and it looks like a gold and a silver kind of mixed together. That is so pretty. Okay, I'm obsessed. Last one I'm going to swatch, I'm just going to swatch the highlight because that looks really nice. Yeah, that is so pretty. Okay, I'm so excited to actually try this properly. I love these matte shades in here, and I love how these two here are quite unique shades. I don't think she's done anything like that before, so I think that's absolutely gorgeous. Again, I love the imprints on them. They look like little pieces of pepperoni, and I love the names as well. So we've got Say Cheese, Crusted Me, My Guilty Pleasure, Love Triangle, Slice Slice Baby, In Too Deep. I love these names because I think they're like so iconic, and I just love the way that she has themes for everything. Let's swatch a couple of the matte shades now. So I've got Hey Hot Stuff and In Too Deep. So this one is Hey Hot Stuff. That's an orangey one, which is really nice warm tone. And then the In Too Deep is the yellow. They are going to blend beautifully together. They're just going to look so pretty together. I'm actually so excited to do a look with this. Like, I'm so excited. So it does actually show you on the back how to use it all. Again, these are all cruelty free, which is what we like to see. I wouldn't be buying from a brand that isn't cruelty free for anyone that doesn't know. But yeah, overall, I am impressed. I feel like she's done a very good job this month. For me, the best thing is definitely the eyeshadow palette. Then it's kind of hard to choose for me if the moisturizer's then second best or the brush set, because I love the concept of the brush set, but I've wanted to try her moisturizer for so long. So maybe I'll give them a go and then get back to you on that and let you know. But thank you so much for watching today's video. I feel like, I know I've said this in the last few videos that I haven't actually uploaded, but I feel like I haven't had time to like sit down and just chat to you all and just have a little bit of a catch up, a nice chatty video. I've been doing a lot of intense like short story times, my transitions, things like that, which I absolutely love filming. Don't get me wrong, I absolutely adore filming those. But I also really like when I can just sit down and just have a nice chat. I also just want to mention we've got a little visitor up there. We've officially got my YouTube 100k plaque, which to me is everything. Like, that is crazy. I used to grow up watching the OG YouTubers. You've got Zoella, you've got Joe, you've got Alfie, you know, everyone, like all the original YouTubers, and seeing people like that get their plaques, and now I have one, like, that doesn't feel real to me. So I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that supported me. As I'm sat here today, I've got 130,000 subscribers, which is absolutely unreal. So I just want to say a massive thank you for that. I'm going to stop rambling on now, but I just wanted to say thank you for all that, and it's so lovely to feel like I'm back and just sit and have a nice chatty video. I do have quite a few videos that I filmed over like November, December time that I didn't get a chance to upload, so they'll be coming after this one, and then we'll be getting back to my usual content of sitting down, trying new products, doing reviews and having nice chatty videos. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have the best day ever, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.